subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone. This is Swiss Manager Essential Training. Part 3. How to start individual round robin and team round robin tournament. A round robin tournament, or all play all tournament, is a competition in which each contestant meets all other contestants in turn. To start round robin tournament, go to File. Then select a new tournament. Now the tournament selection dialog appears. Here select Individual Round Robin or Team Round Robin Tournament and press OK. Now select where you want to save the tournament and type the tournament name. Then press Save. After this, appears the tournament data dialog. This dialog boxes are same as Swiss system tournament with one different. Here we don't have to put number of rounds. Now fill the tournament data. If you want to see how the tournament data are entered, watch Swiss Manage Essential Training Part 1. The link is in the description. Then we have to input tie breaks. We will discuss it in the next videos.